warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. Today I will doing a presentation about evaluate Duolingo app. I also want to analyze strengths, weakness, and solutions for Duolingo. Okay, I want to ask for you guys. Did you know about Duolingo before or already use Duolingo before?
Duolingo.
So, before I start the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Marisa Putri. And before we are evaluating Duolingo, I want to explain what is Duolingo. Okay, Duolingo is the most popular free language learning and most downloaded educational app with over 500 million users. Duolingo aims to make language learning is accessible to everyone, from beginners to intermediate. Okay, I will show you the learning methods on Duolingo. Okay, first. Juga bisa, Ben. Bisa di. Okay, video not play. I will explain the learning methods that use on Duolingo. So first is to improve your listening and speaking skills. Like the words will appear here, and you need to pronounce it correctly. And if you don't pronounce it correctly and clearly, Duolingo will correct it. And second is game to match the words. So for example, is English words, and you need to connect it with a translation in English. And third is to arrange the sentence from English to Indonesia. And I will explain the strengths and weakness of Duolingo. The strength is first accessibility. Duolingo is free for everyone, and you can download it on Play Store or App Store. And you can play or learn Duolingo whenever you want, anywhere, anytime. And second is gamification and motivation. Duolingo provides levels, points, and streaks to make you feel motivated and challenging. And third is learning structure. Lessons are broken down into small units and easy to understand units. So you don't learn something complex, but Duolingo will be separated into small units. And fourth, immediate feedback. When you are learning on Duolingo, you will get immediately feedback in the end you are learning. So you know what you have made mistakes for, and you can evaluate yourself. And five is multilingual, not just English. Duolingo is support over 30 languages and allowing users from all backgrounds to learn on Duolingo. For example, I learned English, Japanese, and also French.
Japanese?
Japan.
Japanese.
Yes.
Japan. Yeah.
And I will explain the weakness. First, Duolingo is limited learning. It's more focused on basic vocabulary and less depth in grammar. And second is translation reliance. Duolingo, many exercises on Duolingo are just word-for-word translations. I will give you an example. So, when I learned French, I learned this sentence. It pronounced Je suis fatigué. When you translate it into English, it means I am tired. Fourth is Duolingo is lack of human interaction. There is no direct speak with native speaker, which is very essential as a fluency. And last is limitation for advanced users. Advanced users may find it necessary to use other learning resources to achieve fluency because Duolingo is very limited. Just teach on basic vocabulary. Next, my suggestions for evolution to Duolingo. First, I think Duolingo is need to add native speaker interaction. So I think the future is going to be at like conversation sessions with native speakers to improve speaking skill. And second is contextual grammar and usage module. I think Duolingo is need to develop more in-depth module on grammar and cultural context. And third is difficulty adjustment. Duolingo could add a feature to adjust the difficulty based on user progress. And fourth, AI speaking practice. We know, right? AI is booming right now. Now, users can practice speaking with an AI-powered chatbot to simulate real-life conversation. And five, last but not least, is cultural learning element. We know that so many people learning foreign language for travel to another country, right? I think before the traveler want to travel to another country, it's necessary to learn the culture from the country, right? So that's it, my evaluation for Duolingo. Thank you so much. I'm sorry if I have made a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.